Come on girls. Sing.
What makes you think we will sing?
Well, you are the Supremes. Baby, baby, where did that love go? And all that.
They were different Supremes. You're an idiot.
Everyone we don't agree with is an idiot.
It's just that it is so hard not to look like an idiot with a toilet seat on our heads.
Yes. Perhaps what we really need is for Michael Hackett to put bouffants on our heads so we can be proper Supremes.
And then you will sing.
Well, then we'll talk about it. Unless some idiot decides to filibuster.
You know, I think I would probably look pretty good in a beaded dress.
If you wear a dress I will probably hit on you.
Clarence, you cannot hit on Alito.
Why not?
I think it's a good idea.
This is getting out of hand.
I am better than all of you.
Oh, shut up, Clarence. At least we stay out of the news.
Brutus say, can't we all just get along?
You can't say that. The saying has been retired.
Okay, we'll sit here and wait for our bouffants.
Yeah, Michael. Damn it. Get going. The Supremes have to be. Or you go to jail.